Good morning. The name of this video is Mathematics Phytagoras Theorem. The Phytagoras Theorem describes the length of the sides of a right triangle in such an elegant and practical way that the theorem is still widely used today. Step by step. First, make sure that the triangle is a right triangle. The Pythagoras theorem is only applicable to right triangles. So before proceeding, it is important that you make sure that the triangle you work with fits the definition of right triangle. Second, assign the variable a, b, and c the sides of the triangle. In the Pythagoras theorem, the variables a and b refers to the sides that touch the right triangle, while the variable c refers to the hypotenuse, the longest sides opposite the right angle. To begin, assign the shortest sides of the triangle the variables a and b, and assign the variable c to the hypotenuse. 3. Determine which sides of the triangle you are going to solve. The Pythagoras terms allow mathematicians to find the length of one of the sides of a right triangle as long as the length on the other two sides are known. Determine which side has an unknown length, A, B, or C. If you don't know the length of only one side, you are ready to proceed. 4. Replace the two known values in the equation. Insert the values of the length of the sides of the triangle in the equations a 2 more b 2 equal c 2. Remember that a and b are the shortest sides that connect at the right angle, while c is the hypotenuse. 5. Calculate the squares. To solve the equation, take the square of each of the known sides. Another alternative, if you find it easier, is to leave the length of the squares in their exponential form and then squares them up. 6. Clear the unknown variable. If necessary, use the basic algebra operations to leave the unknown variable on one side of the equation and the two squares on the other sides of the same. Take squares root on both sides of the equation. Simply take squares root on both sides to find the length of the unknown sides. 8. Use the Pythagoras terms to find the size of triangle of the real world. You can use the Pythagoras terms to find the length of one of the sides, given the length of the two remaining sides. Thanks for watching this video.